Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to switch between profiles with buttons on ROG Harpe Ace Aim Lab Edition. To switch between profiles using the buttons on the mouse without opening the software, you can do it easily by using the DPI button plus other keys. So let me show you that. The first option is gonna be profile 1, and to set to profile 1 you need to click on DPI and the backward button. So click on them both, then it should switch to the mode. Then to set it to profile 2, click on DPI and forward button. It should switch to breathing purple. Then profile 3 is DPI plus the scroll wheel, and it should change to reactive blue. So reactive mode is whenever you click it lights up. Then profile 4 is breathing green, so that's DPI button plus the left mouse button, and it should be breathing green. And then if you have profile 6 set up in the Aim Lab app, then you can also click on DPI button plus the right mouse button to switch to the profile 5, and it will be breathing teal. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.